Hello, I'm Ankit Tuladar from the Gear Up Show. र आजको भिडियोमा we're bringing you a new vehicle that has just entered our market, the Citroen C5 Aircross र उहाँहरूको आजको न्यू showroom opening. यो एउटा फर्स्ट लुक भिडियो मात्रै हो, not a full review. So हामीले तपाईलाई यसमा यसको main features र short glimpses of the vehicle मात्रै दिनेछौँ. The Citroen gets 4 ventilated disc brakes all around and has a ground clearance of 230 millimeters. The front wheel is powered by a 1600cc petrol engine that puts out 165 horsepower and 240 newton meters of torque. The Citroen lights up the road with its LED headlights and LED DRLs. The C5 Aircross has a very premium interior design and feel. It has a massive sunroof and the interior looks very nice. The new showroom is located at Thapatali, right next to Puejo. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe the video. Thank you.